Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 64 plate Honda Jazz EXL-T. Rare thing this. This is the 1.4 petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in the fantastic Orchid White Pearl, and it's covered just 41,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very low mileage, extremely high specification Honda Jazz. Very few of these EXL-T models around. It's a lot of letters, but it just means the level of spec is very high. And I'll run you through it very shortly. So it's an October 2014 registered car. It's covered just 41,000 miles. It has had only the one private owner from brand new. So one owner vehicle. Really good looking car in this Orchid White. It's covered 41,000 miles. It has been serviced every year at the supplying Honda main dealer, Swansea Honda. So it's had one owner and been serviced at that supplying dealer from brand new. So as good as it gets in terms of provenance, ownership, mileage, history, it all stacks up. We've got these lovely alloy wheels with matching Goodyear tyres all the way round. They're in really nice condition, as is the whole car. The Orchid White is a lovely colour. Hopefully you can see it just as I get close there. It's got a real glint to it, and that pearlescent paint looks very nice indeed. Obviously always popular, these Jazzes, one of our most popular cars in the 13 years that we've been going. Ever so practical, very reliable, easy to drive, easy to use. So as we make our way inside on this EXL-T model, you get a full leather interior. There is a little armrest that pops down in the middle there. These front seats are heated as well. Remote locking, and it comes supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in good shape. 4 electric windows. It's got its original Jazz carpet mats, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel, which is in good shape, you've got controls for your cruise control. You've got a trip computer, you've got your radio controls, and you've got automatic lights as well. Up above, we've got this full-length glass panoramic roof, which is absolutely lovely on a day like today. It's got an electronic blind, which will bring the blind over to give you some shade, obviously. So that's a really nice touch. Manual handbrake, a couple of cup holders behind. There's your heated seat controls. Down below, we've got 12-volt socket along with a USB and some storage down there. We've got this twin-layered glove box. All your handbooks, locking wheel nut keys are at the bottom, and then you've got some more space up above. Climate control, and then we've got a satellite navigation system built in, so you've got CD player at the top, you've got satellite navigation, you've also got Bluetooth on this system as well. So it's just a lovely level of spec for a Jazz, to be quite honest. Nice high seating positions, so they're really easy to get in and out of, they're very easy to drive. Then into the rear, excellent level of space. 3 seat belts, 3 proper headrests, ISOFIX for the child seats. Up above, again, you've got that lovely glass roof. £160 a year to tax. Sensible insurance group, excellent MPG from that timing chain driven engine. And then into the boot space. Split folding rear seats, you've got a parcel shelf at the top. Really good size on this load space. Now the boot does all sorts of things. You can fold the seats completely flat, you can have a separate well underneath, you can have a netting sort of carrier at the top as well. You can do all sorts. I've taken pictures of them all, so if you do have a look on the website, you will see the various layouts that you can have in the back of the Jazzes, which is one of the reasons why they're so popular. Brilliantly thought out cars. And that is about the size of it. Quite a lot of information on that one, but it's quite a special car for a Jazz. October 2014, EXL-T, 41,000 miles, one owner from new, 10 Honda services recorded, all the specification in the world, finished in that lovely pearl white. It's a real box ticker. Finance is available, of course, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always popular, these Jazzes, so to find one with this level of spec and service history, etc., I think it'll be popular. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you on the next.